In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean accounting data with TEXTSPLIT and TEXTJOIN in Excel. Open Microsoft Excel on your desktop. Then open the worksheet that contains your accounting data. Once it loads, go to the sheet with the messy transaction list. In column A, you should see a transaction field where the vendor, invoice number, amount, and date are all packed into one cell. The entries are separated by pipe symbols, and some rows may also include extra spaces or blank sections between the separators. Now move to the header row and click cell B1. Type vendor, then press Tab. In the next header cell, type invoice, then press Tab. In the next one, type amount, then press Tab. In the last header cell, type date, then press Enter. That gives you 4 clean output columns beside the raw transaction data. Next, click cell B2, which is the first empty row under those new headers. Here, enter the formula shown in the video. As you type it, this formula uses TEXTSPLIT to break the transaction text into separate pieces based on the pipe delimiter. It also uses true for ignore empty so blank sections created by double pipes are skipped, and TROM removes any leading or trailing spaces from each piece of text. When you finish entering the formula and press Enter, the result should spill across B2 through E2. You'll see 4 separate values appear in a row: the vendor, the invoice, the amount, and the date. This spill behavior means one formula is returning multiple clean fields at once instead of needing a separate formula in each column. Click B2 again so the formula cell is selected. Then move to the small green square at the bottom right corner of the cell. Double-click that fill handle to copy the same formula down through row 11. Excel will apply the split logic to each transaction entry in column A, row by row, and fill the matching results across columns B through E. Once that finishes, check the rows from 2 to 11. Each row should now show 4 clean trimmed values spread across columns B, C, D, and E. Column A still keeps the original raw transaction text, while the new columns hold the parsed output. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.